Video products explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to the guest. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed size, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or if you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again.